Yeah, he kept it. He did everything he needed to do last year, which was basically keep it off the wall, keep out of the championship contenders' way, and just keep it nice and clean for his crew. Currently sitting in 22nd position is Rowan Barry. Very much a family affair for Rowan and the rest of that team. His brother-in-law is Brad Patton, who is currently sitting in 8th position, and his father-in-law is Peter Burnett. Peter currently sitting in 17th position.
Bit excited with that.
I'm very happy with that. So a lot to discuss around the table as Brad Patton in the Wicked Energy Drinks car goes across the start and finish line again. In the pits right now, folks, as we look up and down, we've got Nandy Kiss, we have got Rob Jarvis, we have got Zero Brady, the Rockstar car. So 3 out of the 2 cars right now sitting in pit lane, as well as, in fact, Paul Morris.
Well, Andrew Fisher was on pole briefly down to the first practice anyway before Chris Pither just crashed the party. 2 minutes 37.225 for the Kiwi. So that's currently the fastest man. Chucky Baxter flying under the radar. Chucky was telling me he has never felt the stage car feel better than how it is in the hands now of Wayne Williams. Well, the race tech man, he's got the car like a rocket.
Well, you may have the car like a rocket, but I can tell you the internal section of the race. He was water skiing over the weekend, full of muscle in his legs. Top speed, bouncing off the red limiter right now. He's going at about 10 metres, but it is 15 minutes. Cannot move. So a great effort to Gary Baxter currently sitting in 30th stage.